All right, I wanted to do a quick video. This is for all my new viewers. I'm getting a lot of new viewers, and I have a lot of videos, and sometimes they're hard to navigate. YouTube is not the most simple way to navigate around. And so I had a viewer ask me, and I've accomplished this. I've created some playlists. So if you go to my actual page, ImsaiGuy, there'll be a tab that says videos, and it'll show you my videos. And there's one that's community. That's where I do like my surveys and stuff like that. But there's playlists. So if you click on playlists, you'll see all these playlists. And I have a playlist for some popular things like the Tiny SA or the Nano VNA. So let's pop one of those open. Here's a playlist for the Tiny SA. And then you can see over here on the right-hand side, these are all the videos I have on the Tiny SA. So I have 60 videos on the Tiny SA. If you go to the Nano, let's close this thing. If you go to the Nano VNA, here it is. I think I have a whole bunch on these. I have 84 videos on nano VNAs and VNA type things. So all sorts of different measurements and all sorts of ways to use your nano VNA. All right, so what I've just added though is a couple playlists. One of them's called, where's the first one here? 1 to 100. So this is the first 100 videos. And this is all about me repairing an IMSAI computer. That's why I'm called ImsaiGuy. A lot of people might not know, but this is all about me repairing my IMSAI computer. And there's 104 of those. And if you go to the next group, there'll be 101 to 200. Then here's 801 to 900. So you can say, okay, here using an oscilloscope as a using FFT, and so there's blocks of 100, so 100, 100, 100, 100 all the way through. So it should be an easy way for you to go back in time and look at all the videos I've done. There's some pretty good ones in there that have gotten like next to no views, but some things that are junk and some things that are treasures. But there just might be some odd things like NE77. You might not know about these weird little neon tubes, and you might be interested. So you should peruse, right? It's an easy way now for you to like scroll up and down and see what's available. And if there's anything that's interesting, you can click on it. So anyway, quick video of the day, and hopefully you can go see my videos and learn something.